Welcome back to my channel, everyone. This is Donnie, and today I have an unboxing of an item that I have been wanting forever. And I actually only bought this because it was my birthday, and I thought I deserved a birthday present from myself. I don't get birthday presents really, except for from my husband. So I thought it would be okay to just do a little splurging, especially when it's something that I know I can use. And what this is something that came from a company called Paint Puck. I got it on Amazon, and it is hopefully going to be a big help for me. Let me show you what it is. All right. Cute little box. All right, so it's the ultimate rinse cup for your paintbrushes and artistic process. So I do paint by numbers once in a while, but I haven't been able to find them yet since I've moved. I'm still looking for them, but I have been using lately. I've been adding Aileen tack it over and over onto my diamond painting, and so I'm gonna see how it works with that as after I get it unboxed. 2 levels of squeegee features, removes excess water in one swift motion. Okay, so there's 3 different sizes that they have, and I've got this one. This one they call the jar, this is the cup, and this is the dish, I believe. So this is all the features. Soft silicone cleaning nubs are famously gentle on bristles for faster rinsing. Outer drip tray catches excess from brushes suspended above. Detachable rubber ends make for easy cleaning and mix and match. And grippy wide base prevents spills in conjunction with squeegee collar. All right, so yeah, here's all the features. Let's just open it so I can show you. And of course, I picked purple. They called it lavender. Oh, it's actually a glass cup. No, it's plastic. It's just really thick, and there's not much to it. That's the instructions, but there isn't much to it. I got a rubber band over it, and then I guess we got to put this together. So this just sets in here like so. Got it in all the way. And you can actually use this section down here to put paints in. I saw pictures of people with paints or whatever they're using. And on top here, see, you can hang your brushes to dry, because I was told it's not good to dry them with the brush up, because then it dries into this section here. I have just cheap brushes, but I'll pretend this is an expensive brush that I don't want to harm. So you would hang it like that with it down, and it doesn't, pull it up more, so it doesn't have to touch the base or the bottom part. So it's works good, I guess. Good way of doing it, instead of having, because there's no way to actually just put a brush straight down with the brush down unless you got something to hang it from. So that's nice. And these part, I think, yeah, it's in there. These parts right here are for you to, so when you dip it in the water, you can bring it over here, and it squeegees off the excess water off of the brush. So, and then there's these nubs down here so you can rinse it to get all the stuff off of it. Well, let's give it a shot. Let me get some water here. I got the diamond painting here. I need to put some glue on this section. Let me grab some water. I just keep it in the fridge to keep it out of the way, but let's just put some water in there. I don't need a lot. There we go. And now I got my Aileen's Tacket. I keep it in a smaller container because it makes it easier to use. Let me just pop off this piece of cover paper. Okay, so I need to get this part done. I'll just start it and we'll see how it works, and then you can make up your mind whether it's something you've been looking to get, if it's something that you want and whatnot. All right. So I got a big clump. Maybe I should have put it in water. No, I didn't need water. All right, let's start at the bottom here. And I got too much on my brush at once, I think. That's okay. Little goes a long way. I found that I need to put the glue on a little thicker on this than if you watched my other video where I was putting it on. Because one coat didn't always work for some areas. But I'm just showing you the paint puck right now. And just get this on real quick. Since I dipped in so much, I got a lot on here. And I'm just going to fast forward it because I need to get the whole section done at once, and then we will continue. All right, that is all covered, and I have quite a bit of glue still left on my brush, so let's just rinse it off here. Use those nubs down there, and oh my goodness, so much nicer. Because I would use it and just try and scrub it on the bottom of the little cup that I was using. I don't know if you can see how well that is, but let me just squeegee it off. And it came perfectly clean. Perfectly clean. Oh, that is so nice. That is wonderful. If you paint, I can see where this would be like a dream for you. I mean, it's a dream for me, and I don't do much painting, but I've been looking for something good that I can use to, something nice that I can use for, you know, doing this exact thing. And I have to use little cups, and I think I saw this when I first started doing my paint by numbers, and I wanted it, but you know, I just didn't feel I needed to have it because I didn't paint often enough. But see, now where I'm having to do this a lot with each section, I pull it out all the time. So they have these bigger sections, if you can see here, for the bigger brushes, and these for the smaller ones. Well, I'm doing it upside down. See? There we go. And it holds perfect. You can see there. And it's not touching the bottom, and it can drip dry or air dry or whatever. And my only thing is, I wish it had a lid so that I could just set it aside and come back to it tomorrow, because I don't want to have to dump it every time, especially when that's all I do is a little bit at once. I mean, I could do the whole thing, but I really don't want to. I want to be able to just come back to it when I'm ready. I can actually just keep this right here with it, but I don't have a place to just set an open cup of water because, you know, even though this is my crafting area, I still have people come down here. And just today, Tesslynn accidentally tripped over a cord and pulled my computer and everything onto the cement floor. Thank God Thank God it did not break. It just kind of popped the casing out a little bit, and it's bent on the corner. So it landed on the corner, and I'm just so grateful it didn't happen. So just having this, it just makes me nervous having an open cup of water. So if I were to ever have a suggestion to this company, my only improvement would be to have some kind of lid so that we can, reuse this little bit of water that I have in here that I, really don't need to toss out because it's perfectly capable of being able to be used again. So that's my review and my unboxing for the paint puck. Yeah, it's the ultimate rinse cup. They call it the paint puck. Yeah, it's called the paint puck brush cleaner. But they're still around even after the couple years that I've been wanting it. So it makes me feel good that it is a reputable company. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but I've seen it. I've been looking at it for a couple years now. So there you go. Hope it helps somebody out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Have fun crafting, and don't forget to sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.